Hello everyone. And again, welcome to New Student Orientation. Let me introduce myself. I am Dr. Literacy. I guess I'm sort of the mascot of the Learning Resource Center, or LRC. Mrs. Johnson and Miss Singer are using me today to demonstrate the fact that they love to incorporate new technologies into student learning. A library isn't just about printed books and card catalogs anymore. In addition to all of the other services that have already been mentioned, your librarians are available to equip you with exciting new online tools that will help liven up your class projects. They can even show you how to make videos like this one. They also have access to tools that can help make your schoolwork a little easier. And who doesn't want that? Well, that's all for now. Again, I'm Dr. Literacy, and it was a pleasure speaking with you today. Back to you, Miss Singer.